In this video, I'll show you how to reset your HP LaserJet M140we. There is two things that you need to know. There is a reset of the Wi-Fi network only, and there's also a factory reset of the full printer. I'll show you how to do both of them. So if you simply want to reset the Wi-Fi, so everything else works, the scanner works, all the other features are fine with you, but the Wi-Fi is the issue. To reset the Wi-Fi, well, turn on your printer. Make sure there's something on the screen here. And now you're going to press the Wi-Fi button and the X button, both at the same time. Keep them pressed for around 5 seconds until the power button right here starts blinking. Then you can lift your finger from these two buttons. In around 2 minutes, the printer will be ready to go and ready to pair with your new device, because it will shut down, it will power on, just leave it do its thing. So this is a Wi-Fi reset. But how do you do a full factory reset? Well, step number one is to turn off your printer. So press the power button here and wait. Wait until there's nothing on the display and there's nothing blinking on the buttons. Now, with the printer turned off, press the X button and the down arrow button, both of these. Okay, let me press on them. And now with another finger, press the power button. Wait like this, keep your finger pressed on these two buttons until you see NU appearing on the screen. Maybe it's not clear on video, but I see NU. Now I can lift my finger from these buttons and wait. The printer is now starting its factory reset. All right, so it took around, I would say, 1.5 minutes. NU has disappeared. It was written HP and now it says 01 and the Wi-Fi button is blinking. Perfect. It means that the factory reset has been completed. So this is about it. You have two different ways now in case you're having issues with this unit. Leave a like. If you want to support my channel, check my Amazon affiliate links if you want to get some paper, ink, or even a new printer. Every time you do so, I get a very small commission. And yeah, thanks for watching.